So I am going to show you today how to actually have a PDF that you can make into a fillable document so people can write into your PDF form, okay? So I will start from scratch to just give you the know-how. We're going to go to this app, this website here, which is pdffiller.com, okay? You can start a free trial. You don't have to pay. All right, so once we are on pdffiller.com, once you press the link, you'll go here, okay, and you can just log in, or like I did, instead of logging in, I just drop the document there, or you can upload it from your device, your Google Drive, whatever the case may be. Once it loads, it does its thing. It'll pull up the PDF or the document that you have that you want to make fillable, okay? Oftentimes, we may purchase something from a coach or online, or we're shopping late at night, and the workbook is there, but we don't have a way to actually fill it out unless we print it. So if you're a person like me who like actually apps and the ability to work on my computer or my iPhone or iPad at any given time, I like to have my things fillable. So what you would do is go to the page that has the fillable section. Okay, this is something that I downloaded online this morning. Okay, and you see here, this is a block. So what you can do here, you can either write on here if you like with PDF filler automatically, or you can create a text box. Okay, I'm gonna make it longer. I'm gonna do the same size so I can write inside of this box. Hit OK. So now I can write inside of there if I choose to. And I'll do the same thing again. I will do a text box here because I've already created the size. I'll do another text box here. Okay. Same thing. We're just duplicating the process now. And see here, because the size has changed, you're just going to drag it to what it changed to. It's just that easy. So let's do it here. There we go. Text box. Same thing. Again, we're dragging it to make sure the size is good. And because there's space, you can make the box bigger than what the box actually is if you so choose. Because you have space. I have space on this worksheet. So I don't necessarily have to do it the size that the box is because I have more additional room. All right. And so once it is done and it's saved, if I say done, it's ready to go.